What's up, YouTube? It's Dino. Hey, got a new addition here to the Zombie Apocalypse arsenal. This is my son's. We got this for my son. It's my son's new AR-15, the Spikes Tacticolio, and it is just. It's a really cool rifle, man. It's very nice. Spikes Tactical makes a great product, and from what I've been able to just kind of check out, very impressed with the quality and what you get from Spikes here. Very top notch and great quality craftsmanship there. But again, a couple of things I just wanted to really kind of mention again that. As far as my experience level, definitely not any kind of expert, or I'm just very novice, very new at firearms, very especially the AR stuff. My son's in the Army; he's in Kuwait right now. Won't be home until July, so I will be breaking this in for him though. Anyhow, that was one of the things I wanted to say though. So I do have a lot of, several different weapons that I do show on YouTube, and basically just a show and tell setup here. But enjoy doing it. Enjoy using YouTube and YouTube gun channels as a good resource. We did pick up this rifle used and slightly used. It's in great condition, and it did come with some really cool upgrades, and I'll go over some of that. But I just wanted to say that it did come from a really good friend that I've met here on YouTube. And I'll probably give him a shout out here down the road. But anyhow, we just kind of go over some of the things that came on the rifle that were upgrades and changes. It does have the Magpul AFG. It's just got that angled foregrip, and this is, I think, one of the coolest things. It is stock from Spikes, but it's like the 9-inch rail bar is what they call it. It does have the different rail systems across the top and the sides, and across the bottom here, so you can add different things to it, whether it's lights and that, accessories, and gives you plenty of options on doing just getting creative with what you want on your AR. And the ergo grip here, it's more like a rubber pistol grip. Definitely, I do like that a lot better than the stock grip. It has a ambi sling attachment back here. Just basic 6 position rear stock. Just kind of your standard stock there. Standard and Spikes Tactical standard charging handle. Flip up Magpul rear sight. I do like that. And then just kind of your standard and stock front sight and suppressor. And I think Spikes makes a great product, and got it set up here. Kind of do some more close-ups here in a minute. Alright guys, take it easy.